lifting up Jesus and opening his word from Australia, Denmark, Israel, Japan, New Zealand, Northern Ireland, Republic of Ireland, Singapore, South Africa, United Kingdom, Thailand, the Philippines, United States, and throughout the world. You're watching Moriel TV.
There is no one single event. There are several that shows that it has begun ticking. One of which is the rebirth of the nation Israel. Can a nation be born in a day? Now that has obviously a spiritual meaning concerning the death and resurrection of Christ and so forth, but it has a prophetic meaning concerning Israel. Second, the unification of Jerusalem. Third, the dramatic increase in the numbers of Jews coming to faith in Jesus that we've seen within the last generation. Fourth, and this is an important one, something took place in Iran in the 1970s. The peacock throne established by Cyrus the Great ended when the Shah fell from power, and a demonic power took over modern Iran. Make no mistake about it. What we see happening in Iran today is very much what Daniel predicted would happen in Daniel 10. So the fall of the peacock throne and the ascent of Shia Islamic fundamentalism with the mullahs and with Khomeini and so forth, that again is another event that triggers other events. Again, Daniel chapter 10, highly significant. Luke 21:24. Highly significant. The rebirth of Israel, highly, highly significant, as in Jeremiah 30 and elsewhere. So to answer your question, it's not one event. The Aliyah, the early Zionist movement, the First World Zionist Congress, was a prophetically important political event. It's not just one that triggers all the rest of it. It's a number of events that shows that the constellation of events have already been ignited in heaven. My name is Jacob Prasch. Thank you so much for joining us.